Check out this adorable 3-bedroom/2-bath home on over half an acre west/ a circular driveway in the popular Kathleen area. Open floor plan, no carpet. Kitchen has coffee bar, pantry, lifted dishwasher so you don't have to bend to load the dishes, custom cabinets, 2 faucets, 1 is pot filler, bar to eat at, separate dining room. Large master bedroom has a sitting area, master bath has a jetted tub, tile shower, his and her closets. Check out the custom cabinets west/interior outlets. Third bedroom makes a great office west/ the walk-in closet and half bath in it. Sit on the screened in back porch and enjoy your private backyard. New HVAC in 2018.